Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Ferrari LaFerrari. Begin by lightly sketching the car's basic proportions. Focus on its overall length and width, using gentle lines to establish the foundation. Next, outline the main body, paying attention to the distinctive low roofline and wide, aggressive stance. Finally, mark the precise locations for the wheels and consider the car's ground clearance to ensure accurate initial placement. Now, let's refine the body. Carefully define the iconic curves of the hood and the muscular fenders, giving the car its powerful appearance. Then, draw the distinct side air intakes and the elegant door lines, which are crucial to the LaFerrari's design. Don't forget to add the prominent wheel arches and the basic circular shapes for the wheels, preparing for more detail later. Moving on to key features, sketch the aggressive, sharp headlight shapes and the characteristic circular taillights. Next, carefully outline the windshield and side windows, imagining how light might reflect off their surfaces. Finally, incorporate the intricate rear diffuser and the prominent exhaust pipes, adding depth and realism to the car's powerful rear design. For the final touches, apply shading to create depth and emphasize the LaFerrari's dynamic contours. Introduce reflections on the bodywork and windows to give your drawing a realistic, glossy finish. Lastly, carefully refine all your lines, ensuring they are clean and sharp, and gently erase any remaining construction marks to present a polished and complete drawing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.